Caroline, Caroline, turn around.
Caroline.
Caroline Eleanor, you turn around right now, miss.
I just like going after the tree.
Oh shoot, turn her around. It was cute.
Where's Mama? Whoops, go find Mama. Basket.
Where did your hat go, Caroline? Can you put it on her? There we go. And that's probably all we're gonna get of the hat. Okay, say hi.
Hi.
Are you having a good time?
Yes.
Good.
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 Look at all the snow I threw.
You did. You threw a lot of snow. Not at me. Can you say snow? I gotta stop laughing. Hi, kids. Hi, you.
Hi, you. Hi, dude.
Don't fall. Don't fall. Don't fall over, Caroline.
Mama, I love snowball fight.
I know. You need to fix your hat. You can't even see.
Oh no.
Oh no.
Oh no.
Oh no. Good job, Chicky. What's wrong? Hey, come to Mama. Caroline, come to Mama. Come on. Hi, little tiny tot. Can you say hi?
Hi.
Say hi, you.
Hi.
Do you want to go play Shapies? Oh, no. Okay, bye-bye. Caroline, where's your necklace? Watch the noggin. Okay, good. Can you put it on? Can you put it on for me? Put it on. Can you put the necklace on? Good girl. What have you got, girlie? Piece of lint. Great. Yes. Hi. What do you got?
Feather.
Feather. Yes, out of our pillows. Good job.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Cereal.
Is that cereal?
No.
Yes.
Up, up. Up, up, up.
You can do it.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. It's okay. Hey, do you have a Shapey on your chair? What's on your chair? Is that a Shapey? Shapey. Which Shapey is it?
It's red.
Square. Okay, eat some cereal. You gonna have some cereal?
Cereal.
Okay, say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Hello? No, sit. Okay, have some cereal. You gonna have some cereal? Okay, look at Mama. No, don't do that. You'll fall out of the chair. Caroline, look at Mommy. Can you say cereal yummin'? Nummy. Num, num, num. Okay, say bye-bye. Bye-bye.